I got into it personally as a hobby, but once I realized how motivated I was, just on a personal level with drones, and then I realized how they could be used as a tool for learning, I knew right then and there that I needed to dig deeper and find ways for kids to use them and incorporate them in class.
Seeing the drones in action at a school and seeing them, being used by students and seeing them being programmed and everything, it really opened my eyes to see just how versatile they were.
Parrot drones are just so attractive to students because of the way they're made, their colors, the way they operate, the easy use of the technology in themselves are motivating.
What's most impactful about using this technology is just the kids' engagement piece. They're already technologically savvy. So when you strike that curiosity amongst a child, they're going to take off.
Our goal at Parrot is really to empower kids and students by giving them access to the drone technology, and really they shouldn't be afraid of this technology. Teachers should be able to take the drone, log into the platform, choose an activity, and start coding the drone immediately. Today, the Workbench coding software is really the only one that will allow you to code multiple drones at the same time, and this is really new.
I see drones as a very powerful tool in a lot of industries, but education is definitely not excluded from that.
I know last year he did a project with kids where he coded the drones to interact, and they had a whole drone city.
Drone City was a kids show that we created the set, and we also filmed it, and we programmed the drones to do whatever we wanted them to do.
We're always thinking about how can we connect learning to authentic, real experiences for our kids. And so we're always reaching out beyond our school walls to make connections with, lots of businesses and industries and different occupations and things out there. And we're trying to move that learning so it's not just occurring here in Avonworth, but it's on the outside as well.
This was never really one of the things that I was interested in. I kind of just was oh, I'm gonna go try this. And I'm so grateful that I ever tried it because it's been amazing, and I'm actually considering it for a career now.